Hi friends, today in this video we are going to learn about diabetic ketoacidosis. So it is a condition which is seen in patients who don't have absence of insulin. So it is actually seen in patients, the type 1 diabetic patients. So actually in type 1 diabetes, insulin is generally absent because pancreatic cells are by some reasons destroyed by our immune cells, which may be genetic factors are unable to recognize, which is autoimmune reaction. So leading to destruction of pancreatic beta cells, thereby they cannot produce insulin. So the blood glucose levels what gradually increases, which is nothing but hyperglycemia. So the cells cannot utilize the glucose because insulin is required. It is the key factors for the cells to utilize the energy. Suppose just like example, if you want to get into your home, if it is locked, you must have the key to your home. If you don't have the key, you cannot enter your home. In the same way, for glucose to enter into the cells or utilized by the cells, it needs a key called insulin. If this insulin is absent, they cannot utilize that glucose. So they find an alternative resources of energy. So in that process, what the cells do is the muscle cells or adipose tissue, they want to break the proteins and lipids for generating the energy. So this happens, and because of this, so let me explain because of this diabetic ketoacidosis will occur. Let me explain the process. Suppose this is a fat cell. This fat cell, upon lipolysis, so fats undergo lipolysis. Upon lipolysis, they produce a substance called fatty acids, and these fatty acids they reach the liver. In the liver, these fatty acids are converted into what so called ketone bodies, and these ketone bodies include two types, and these ketone bodies include acetoacetic acid, which is also called ketoic acid, and next one is beta hydroxybutyric acid. And these acetoacetic acid and beta hydroxybutyric acid are the source of energy, and these are the source of energy. But in other way, even though they are source of energy, they increase the blood acidity. Why? Because ketone bodies or ketoic acids, these are highly acidic, because the name also suggests that these are acids, because of their increased levels in the blood due to continued lipolysis or breakdown of proteins. So the acidity of the blood rises, and this condition is called ketoacidosis. So increased ketone bodies in the blood, so which is nothing but ketoacidosis, and this occurs in diabetic patients. So this is called diabetic ketoacidosis. So you guys will understand. I think you have understood the concept clearly. So this is called diabetic ketoacidosis, and this diabetic ketoacidosis is even seen in patients on insulin therapy, that we will discuss in next video.